The error code F28 on a Maytag washer indicates a serial communication issue between the central control unit and the motor control unit. This issue can be caused by wiring problems or damage to either the central control unit or the motor control unit. To fix the error, start by checking the connections and pressing the pause, stop, or cancel buttons to clear the code. Then, unplug the washer from the power supply and inspect the communication cable between the central control unit and the motor control unit to ensure it is properly in place. Additionally, verify that the switches on the top and rear panels are correctly closed. And check all wiring connections to ensure they are continuous and free of rust. If any broken wires are found, replace them. Once these steps are completed, plug the washer back in and attempt to run a cycle to see if the error persists. If the issue remains, it may be necessary to replace the motor control unit or the central control unit, in which case it is recommended to seek the guidance of a professional.